Hello and welcome to this lesson. Today I want to show you how you can use a very important feature called mail merging in MS Word. Basically, by mail merging we mean sending personalized copy of one letter or report to many people with different addresses. What we simply do is to take one letter which you have already formatted on computer, then you will attach automatically using a feature called mail merge the address of each person on a different copy of the same letter. And this one is done automatically in a couple of seconds, other than going manually, doing one letter, copying to a folder, changing the address for another person, copying to the same folder, changing address again. If you have like 1,000 or hundreds of customers, doing it manually like that is difficult. You have to take advantage of features such as MS Word Mail Merge. I will go ahead and show you what you need for the process to start. The first thing is to ensure that you create a folder on the desktop or somewhere on the computer, and in that folder you will save two things: a list with details of the customer address and also a letter. I will go ahead and open this customers list. You can see we have customer ID, first name, last name, the address is here, and each person has a unique address to which we want to send the letter. And these last columns are showing the information about what we sold to them on credit. The other important thing is to ensure that you have a letter ready. I will open this one. You can see here the letter is already drafted, and this is a common template which will be used to send to every customer. And this one will have some areas which will contain varying information. For example, customer ID will depend on which customer you are addressing in the letter at a particular time during the mail merge. So this part will contain changing information, and even in this table the details will depend on the customer details which we will pick from the list in MS Excel. So once your letter is ready like this one and the list is prepared, like you can see here the list is ready, the next thing is to do mail merge so that we send these personalized letters to all these 8 customers. And to do that, first just close the list in Excel and go ahead to your letter. This is the letter which is ready to be mail merged. I will go ahead and start the mail merge. Just go to mailings tab. You just click mailings tab here, and we have here start mail merge. Just click that and move to the last option, step by step mail merge. You will see this mail merge pen, and in this pen we are going to click next. Of course we are using the current document, again next. Now when you see here use an existing list, come and browse for that MS Excel list with customer details by just clicking here. Then you must know where the folder is located and just choose the file. If there are several sheets in that MS Word workbook, then you will have to click the right sheet. But the one I am using currently has only one sheet and it is already selected. I will just click OK. Here you can remove people by just choosing the ones you want, or you can select here all of them, click OK. Once you finish that process, you will see this icons getting activated, and here you can do a lot. Right now, from there, I will come and select this placeholder for the custom ID and click Insert Merge Field. Then I will choose Custom ID. I will go ahead and link all of them. First name goes with the first name. You just put any spaces where necessary between these placeholders. That is the last name or second name. You can ensure there is a good space between these two names. For the address, you can pick it from here. That is the address. And for the phone number, also there, telephone. Now I am done with the personal details. About the balance transaction, I will click the box where I want to insert an item name and still come here, insert merge field and click item. For the quantity, the same, click the quantity box, come here and choose quantity. Unit price, the same, unit price, and finally the amount which is there. Now I am almost done. To preview this letter, I will just come here. There is something icon here written preview result. You just click it and you are able to see the details of customer number 6. If I click next, I go to customer number 7, then customer number 8. I only have 8 customers. If I want to go to the first person, I click first record, and this is the detail for the first person. This one is for the last record it brings. So when I am satisfied with the content of this letter, next I will just switch it off, preview, and I will go to the next link here for the wizard. Then I will again click preview letter. Now you can see the 8th person is shown. You can still play around the way we did it earlier, and it will show you everything about the letters you want to send. You can even say next while you read the details of each and every letter. When you are satisfied, you click complete merge. Now to complete the merge, there are 2 things you can do. You can either print it directly to the printer to print the 8 letters, or you can click edit individual letters so that the 8 copies which will be produced for the 8 customers will be sent to another MS Word document, which you will go through it. Then when you are satisfied, now you print. Let me decide to choose this one so that I create another MS Word document. Here it gives you the option. You can even say maybe from 5 to 8, or from 1 to 4, or automatically say all of them. Let me go on with the all. Now you can see down here it is written page 1 of 8, meaning all the letters for all the customers are now generated. And this is for Ian. You can see Kent. This is for Amit and Lisa. This is for Nalini, and Viola is there. All these have personalized information of the customers. I can go ahead now and save this printout in my folder. I can even call it printouts. and close this document. Then my original template, I will also save the changes and close it. That is how easy it is to do mail merging in MS Word. Thank you. See you again next time. Bye bye.